Okay, I am finding this is difficult. Holding the camera and doing this, all I see, I have more respect for people on YouTube that do this. But here you go, torch. I'm just gonna give them all to you all at once because it is hard to hold the camera and keep everything in frame, especially when you're shaky and you have a little hint of a tremor to your body. But there goes Torch. She's behind the red rotillia. And Torch doesn't normally go for dry foods that much, but he does perk up for the Moina. Okay, on to the next one.